After a nice, long, hard workout, it is important that you take care of yourself after. You don't want to be smelling. You don't want to be reeking of stench. You just worked out. You just busted your ass off. You sweat so much. And you over here not knowing what to do after? Crazy. Well, this is why we got me. So I'm going to help you out here. So driving back home after my nice little 6-mile speed run. And this is how we're looking before. The hair is dry. The skin is drier. And I just don't feel good. Like, this just feels disgusting. I'm not in the mood to talk to anyone. I just need to make sure that I'm taking care of myself now. So let's hop right into the shower and get this started. The first thing is you have to take a shower. You can't just sweat like that, put in an hour's worth of work and just not shower. That's disgusting. So when I start my shower, I like to start with my hair. I go in with the first rinse of shampoo, making sure that I'm getting everything lifted off of my scalp, because that's where the sweat and all the buildup is gonna dry up onto. So we're removing it off of my scalp, and it kind of sits on your hair, which is why we wash it out of our hair right after. So I'm not gonna show me washing my hair, because y'all gonna see a little too much, but we're going in with the second wash, and this is gonna make sure that all that gunk is completely out of my hair. And as you can see, compared to the first wash, there's a lot more lather, there's a lot more suds. It's like Christmas. It's like a little snowstorm. I was trying to get waves. As you can see, I can kind of do it. I think my hair needs to be a little bit shorter in order to fully get it down, but we're gonna wash that out now. And the last step for the hair, I'm going in with some deep conditioner. If you don't have deep conditioner, just use regular conditioner. Get it all through your hair, detangle through. My hair is finally long enough now that I can actually detangle through my hair. I think before, like the last time I made like a wash day routine video, it was kind of just sitting on top. I didn't really have to detangle anything because my hair was just so short. So now that it's longer, I'm taking it a bit more serious, and we're gonna leave it in for about 10-15 minutes. And during that time, this is when you want to wash yourself. So get your bar of soap, lather up your I use like a little towel, and just get everywhere around your body, all these small crevices, like in between where your forearm and your bicep, tricep are, your armpits especially, because that's where the reek is coming from. And you wanna, I'm not gonna show me getting down below, but get down below. Just make sure you get everything, your toes, your arms, your hands, everything, bro. And I'm going in now with some body wash, and same process. I'm not using a towel. I'm using kind of like a I don't even know what it's called, but it just feels nice on my skin. And yeah, we're gonna wash out that, and we're gonna wash out the deep conditioner after as well. So now you're all clean. Congratulations, you learned how to clean yourself. I'm really proud of you, bro. Like, I know it's hard sometimes. I like getting my workout in, but that doesn't mean I want to walk around with a tired, puffy, and dirty face. And I've got a choice. Do I go back inside and just sit on the couch, let the rest of the day go by? Or do I actually take care of myself? And that's where Teach Hanley comes in. I've been using their products for my post-workout self-care routine, and honestly, it's been amazing. Wash clears off all the grime and sweat, makes me feel like I'm hitting a reset. Then I go in with scrub, helps me exfoliate off the dead skin, followed by the super serum and eyes, so I don't get those bad bags under my eyes making me look tired, making me look dead. And because I work out in the morning, I'm gonna be using AM with SPF protection in order to moisturize and replenish my skin. And peep how it looks, clean and sharp. And the best part about this is that it literally took 5 minutes, quick enough to fit into any routine, and with consistency, you'll see a difference in no time. My skin is more clear, less inflamed, and I feel way more confident showing up, on camera and off. If you click my link below, Teach Henley is offering up to 40% off your first box, plus a free gift worth up to $20. So whether you've been in the gym grinding or outside grinding, but you're ignoring your skin, this is your sign. Start today. You've already done the hard part. Let this be the easy win. I know I went over the skincare quite briefly with Teach Henley. Once again, thank you very much, but the process is pretty simple. You want to use wash, scrub that all across your face, getting every crevice of your face and even a bit into your hair even. That's how you really know you're getting every little bit if it's in your hair a bit. But yeah, just rinse it off. It's gonna take a couple of times to rinse it off because it is face wash, so you're not gonna get it in the first couple of tries. We're going in exfoliating now. You don't want to use the exfoliating scrub every day. This is a twice to once a week type of thing because it's very strong. It's very strong on your skin, and doing it too much could cause a lot of damage. So once or twice a week at most. Next, we're going in with the super serum, and this is kind of like a little prep layer before going in with the moisturizer and the eyes. It really gets your skin moisturized, but also helps retain that moisturizer that you put in eventually. We're going into eyes, and yeah, ignore that. I was having a little fun. We're going in with AM next, and this is the moisturizer. I use AM in the morning and PM at night. PM's a little more thicker in consistency, while AM is a bit less thick in consistency. So after the skincare, we're going to get our hair looking good. We just washed it. We're going to apply a little bit of water onto it because it is a bit dry. We need it damp. So I dried my hair with an old shirt because the material is a bit better than the towel material when drying it. So we're going in with this Curl Love Milk. Pretty good. I've been rocking with it since I've cut my hair. I really recommend. Just getting that through my hair, making sure that it's everywhere, detangling through. Then we're going to go in with some oil in order to seal up all the moisture that we just applied to my hair, and making sure we're getting it into the scalp as well, because now that our scalp is clean, we need to make sure that it has some moisture, and that moisture is sealed. And we do that with the oil, just detangling through, making sure that everything is feeling good, looking all right. A little massage too. A massage won't hurt, get in there for a good 5 minutes, just trying to get every little crevice, every little spot. And lastly, you need to use lotion, bro. You don't want to have dry alligator skin. It's disgusting, man. You want to, same thing when you were washing your body, you want to get every little spot with the lotion. Your arms, your chest, your stomach, your back. Yeah, I know your back's kind of hard, but try, bro. I be using the back of my hand sometimes in order to get really up into the back of my back. Hopefully that made sense. You get your legs too, and your toes. I'm not gonna show you me doing my toes. Yeah, you're gonna have to pay for that. I'm not serious. And the most important aspect, I saved it for the end, bro. Put on some deodorant, bro. Deodorant is gonna help you not smell anymore, and that's the most important thing. It's gonna keep you clean. This has been Nathan Xavier. This is what I do after working out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one.